The year is 2025. The world watches as Japan, a nation renowned for its technological prowess, unveils a game changer, the solar super panel. This is no ordinary solar panel. This innovation harnesses the power of Perovskite solar cells, a revolutionary technology poised to reshape the global energy landscape. Imagine a world where clean, sustainable energy is not just a dream but a reality. This is the future that Japan is striving to create. The development of these superpanels marks a pivotal moment in the fight against climate change. Japan, a nation acutely aware of the pressing need for energy independence and environmental sustainability, is leading the charge towards a brighter future. The solar superpanel is not merely a technological marvel, it is a symbol of hope. This is the story of Japan's solar superpanel revolution, a testament to human ingenuity and the unwavering pursuit of a sustainable future. Perovskite solar cells, or PSCs, represent a paradigm shift in solar technology. Unlike traditional silicon-based solar panels, PSCs are created using a special class of materials called perovskites. These materials possess a unique crystal structure that allows them to absorb sunlight with remarkable efficiency. Imagine a material that can capture even the faintest rays of sunlight and convert them into usable energy. But the advantages of PSCs extend far beyond their efficiency. These remarkable cells are incredibly lightweight and flexible, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. They can be seamlessly integrated into buildings, vehicles, and even clothing. Imagine a world where every surface has the potential to generate clean energy. PSCs are also significantly cheaper to produce than traditional solar cells. This affordability factor is crucial for making solar energy accessible to a wider population. The future of solar energy is bright, and perovskite technology is leading the way. Japan has set an ambitious goal to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. This ambitious target reflects Japan's commitment to combating climate change and securing a sustainable future for generations to come. Central to this ambitious plan is the widespread adoption of renewable energy sources, with solar energy playing a pivotal role. The Japanese government recognizes the transformative potential of PSC technology in achieving its ambitious energy goals. To accelerate the deployment of this game-changing technology, the government has implemented a range of supportive policies and initiatives. These initiatives include generous subsidies, tax breaks for businesses and individuals investing in solar energy, and streamlined regulations to facilitate the installation of solar panels. Japan's commitment to a sustainable future is unwavering. With its ambitious goals and unwavering support for PSC technology, Japan is poised to become a global leader in the renewable energy revolution. One of the most exciting aspects of PSC technology is its versatility in urban environments. Traditional solar panels, while effective, can be bulky and difficult to integrate into densely populated areas. PSCs, on the other hand, offer a sleek and adaptable solution. Imagine buildings draped in transparent solar films, generating energy while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. The lightweight and flexible nature of PSCs allows them to be seamlessly integrated into a wide range of urban infrastructure. From bus stops and streetlights to sidewalks and park benches, the possibilities for energy generation are endless. Imagine a city where every surface contributes to a greener, more sustainable future. The integration of PSCs into urban environments goes beyond aesthetics and energy generation. It fosters a sense of community ownership and responsibility towards a sustainable future. By seamlessly blending into the fabric of our cities, PSCs have the power to transform not only our energy landscape, but also our relationship with the environment. Section 5. The Global Race for Renewable Dominance. The development of PSC technology has sparked a global race for renewable energy dominance. Countries around the world recognize the immense economic and geopolitical implications of leading the charge in this transformative sector. Japan, with its long history of technological innovation, is well positioned to emerge as a front-runner in this race. However, Japan faces stiff competition from other nations, particularly China. China, with its vast manufacturing capabilities and aggressive investment in renewable energy, has emerged as a major player in the global solar market. This competition, while fierce, ultimately benefits the advancement of PSC technology and accelerates the global transition to a sustainable energy future. Japan, however, possesses a key advantage: its self-sufficiency in iodine production. Iodine is a crucial component in the production of PSCs. This domestic supply chain grants Japan a strategic edge, reducing its reliance on foreign imports and bolstering its energy security. Section 6. Overcoming the challenges, durability and cost. While PSC technology holds immense promise, it is not without its challenges. Two key hurdles stand in the way of widespread PSC adoption: durability and cost. PSCs, while remarkably efficient, are also relatively fragile compared to their silicon-based counterparts. Exposure to moisture, heat and oxygen can degrade their performance over time. Researchers around the world are working tirelessly to address these durability concerns. Significant progress has been made in developing protective coatings and encapsulation techniques that shield PSCs from environmental degradation. These advancements are crucial for ensuring the long-term viability and reliability of PSC technology. The cost of PSC production, while already lower than traditional solar cells, remains a barrier to widespread adoption. However, as with any emerging technology, costs are expected to decline significantly as production scales up and manufacturing processes become more efficient. Section 7. A new dawn for Japanese solar innovation. The development of PSC technology has breathed new life into Japan's solar industry. Once a global leader in solar panel production, Japan lost ground to Chinese competition in the early 2010s. However, PSCs represent an opportunity for Japan to reclaim its position at the forefront of solar innovation. Japanese companies are at the forefront of PSC research, development and manufacturing. These companies are investing heavily in scaling up production, improving efficiency and reducing costs. The Japanese government is actively supporting these efforts through grants, subsidies and tax incentives. This renewed focus on solar innovation is creating jobs, boosting the economy and positioning Japan as a global leader in the fight against climate change. The future of Japanese solar is bright, powered by the promise of Perovskite technology. Section 8. The legacy of 2011. A turning point for renewable energy. The year 2011 marked a turning point in Japan's relationship with nuclear energy. The Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster, triggered by a devastating earthquake and tsunami, sent shockwaves throughout the nation and the world. The disaster forced Japan to confront the inherent risks associated with nuclear power and sparked a nationwide debate about the future of energy in Japan. In the wake of the disaster, public support for nuclear energy plummeted. The Japanese government, responding to public sentiment and the urgent need to diversify its energy sources, made a decisive shift towards renewable energy. This policy shift paved the way for the rapid growth of solar energy in Japan. The legacy of 2011 is a renewed focus on safety, sustainability, and energy independence. The tragedy of Fukushima served as a stark reminder of the importance of diversifying energy sources and investing in renewable alternatives. Section 9. A brighter future powered by the sun. The sun, a celestial giant that has nourished life on Earth for billions of years, now holds the key to a sustainable future. Japan's solar superpanel revolution, fueled by the transformative potential of Perovskite technology, represents a beacon of hope in a world grappling with the urgent need for clean energy solutions. The journey towards a net-zero future is a collective one, requiring collaboration, innovation, and unwavering commitment. Japan's leadership in the development and deployment of PSC technology serves as an inspiration to the world, demonstrating that a sustainable future is within reach. As we look towards the horizon, we see a future illuminated by the boundless energy of the sun, a future where clean energy is accessible to all, where cities sparkle with the brilliance of integrated solar solutions, and where the legacy of innovation paves the way for a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow. This is the promise of Japan's solar superpanel revolution.